Hey babies, today I'm going to show you how to achieve the viral latte eye makeup on Darkskin. I created this beautiful makeup look on Instagram, so in case you're not following me, make sure to check out my Instagram page to see how I achieved this look. Now let's get into this eye makeup. I like to go in with a bronzer. I use Revolution Makeup Bronzer in Deep Dark 6, and I use like a fluffy and good fluffy brush. Just gonna go ahead and use that to give my face like a shape from the corner of my eye to my eyebrow, and I'm gonna do the same for both eyes. Going in my skin tone powder, another fluffy angle brush, and I'm just going to pack my skin tone powder into the outer edge of that previous eyes, and I'm just going to blend it out in a wing motion. So as I'm blending it, I'm winging my hands out and back into my brows. Going with a brighter eyeshadow shade, I'm gonna take a stiff brush, like a precise brush, and I'm going to apply that onto my brow bone. And I'm gonna blend that into the previous shade that was there. Going in with the same bright eyeshadow shade, I'm going in my lid. I'm gonna press that in there very lightly. And I'm gonna blend it out with the same brush. Going back in the first bronzer shade, I'm gonna take a smaller fluffy brush, and I'm gonna press that bronzer in there. Also in outwards motion. And I'm gonna blend it out with that fluffy brush. Whatever is left on that brush, I'm gonna focus it in my under eye. To leave my eyes open, I'm gonna skip liner and just jump straight into mascara. The more time you spend with your lashes, the better the result. Lashes. Once you put in your lashes, you're good to go. So this is my final result. One side of my face is kind of looking cakey. I went ahead to fix that real quick, and that will bring us to the end of today's video. It's really short and fast. Make sure to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.